Slowly and gently close your eyes. Today we are doing the meditation for boosting our immunity. Our body is getting prepared to face the attack of any germs or virus or bacteria. We are making a body getting fully prepared to fight against the virus, any type of virus, bacteria, germs coming across our way. Now, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Visualize yourself being very healthy and happy. Breathe in, breathe out. Visualize yourself being very happy, joyful and healthy. To start with, visualize yourself like a fully loaded truck. Visualize yourself like a fully loaded truck running over all bacteria, all types of viruses and germs coming across your way. A fully loaded truck running over all bacteria, all type of viruses and germs coming across your way, crushing them away. You have activated a bulletproof defense system. You have activated a bulletproof defense system. My immune system has more soldiers with antibodies and T cells warriors. Antibodies will then attach themselves to the offenders, antigens and kill all the bacteria, virus trying to enter my body. I am safe. I am very safe as my soldiers are protecting me. My soldiers with antibodies and T cell warriors are protecting me all the time, at any time, every day, at any moment they are ready to protect me. I am very safe, I am very healthy, I am very safe, I am very healthy. My immune system is working very efficiently as my soldiers are very efficient and protecting me all the day. Every organs, muscles and tissues are working towards my goal of keeping me healthy and stronger and making me better and better. I am very healthy and safe. I am very healthy and very safe. I am very impressed and happy to see my body supercharged with powerful antibodies, response to the virus, bacteria and germs. Thank you, universe, for all the good health given to me and to my family. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. I am grateful to my great health and being supercharged every day, getting better and better. Thank you, universe. Chant mentally Omkara. Inhale, chant Om internally. Exhale, chant Om mentally. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Every time you inhale and exhale, chant Om internally. Om, Om, Om. Continue this process and feel yourself happy and being safe and protected from virus, bacteria and all types of germs. Feel yourself safe. Universe is protecting you. Universe is there to protect you. Feel happy and continue inhaling and exhaling, chanting Om mentally. Continue till I ring a bell. Continue. Slowly bring your awareness into the body and gently open your eyes. Namaste.